I'm in love with this. I'm in love with it. I want more.
No scrub, no scrub, no scrub, no scrub. I don't want no scrub, want no scrub, want no scrub.
What is up, you guys? It's your girl Tori, and I am back with another video. Yes, you've read the title. It's another Shein haul. I know you're like, didn't you just film this video? I did. But y'all, I love Shein. Like, this store is so nice. I can't believe I just now started shopping from them. I haven't bought any like clothes, like dressy clothes yet, mainly just workout clothes, but definitely planning on doing some summer clothing hauls soon once it gets warmer. But for now, I decided to stick to what I know and just buy the workout clothes and try them on for you because y'all, we are trying to get fit this summer, you know. So we need the cute outfits, we need to stay motivated. So I'm gonna show you what I have. So I bought 3 outfits this time because I wasn't trying to go crazy. But let me start with this piece. So this one, I'm gonna put it right here. It's a short set. Basically comes with the top. It's a nice sports bra. It has the cups in it. Really nice material, stretchy. Let's see what the material is. This is a size small and it's 86% polyester, 14% spandex. Gives you that stretch. What I really like though is the back. It has like this little cutout that I think just adds a little bit of, you know, little razzle dazzle to your outfit. And this is gonna be great for when it gets warmer. You know, you can start wearing shorts to the gym. So let me show you the bottom part, which is the shorts. So the shorts is pretty nice. This is the front. I know it looks tiny, but like the material doesn't ride up from what I've seen since I put it on. But it's really nice. The back is like this circular motion, kind of, you know, adds to, you know, shaping your butt. But yeah, it's really nice. I did get these in a size small, like I said, and same material for the top and bottom. So yeah, I really like that one. It does, I will say though, it does ride out. So like once you move, you do like, so like, let's see, we do some squats, it is gonna ride up. So that's the only thing I can say. The front does ride up. I think though, I think there's a trick though to stop it from doing that. I think you spray like hairspray or something on it, prevents it from riding up. But yeah, it does do that. So, but other than that, it's really nice. Good for the summertime. Good for a run, you know. Let's try the other one. Now, I have this one. I love the color, y'all. It's like purple, matches my room. If you don't know, my favorite color is lavender. Like, my room's lavender. I love it. Which is crazy because I don't do a lot of lavender type stuff. Like, most of my decor is pink and white. But I love y'all. Like, I love it. I'm gonna have a lavender room. So let's start with the top. So the top is this nice crop top. The material is pretty nice, the fabric, you know. So it's a nice little crop top. You know, I feel like this you can wear it with different types of workout pants. You don't have to always wear it with this because it's just simple. But it's also a size small. It's 90% nylon, 10% spandex. So a little bit less spandex in this one, but it's still really nice. So yeah, this is it. And then it comes with, it's a pant set. So this is the pants. This outfit was more on the, you know, why are you not showing? This outfit was more on the simpler side, like it didn't have any patterns or anything, but I just really love the color. And yeah, these materials, y'all, they feel like a glove, but they feel so comfy. So that's why I had to go cop some more. This one looks amazing. See, I told you the color, y'all, the color. I'm in love with this. I'm in love with it. I want more. And then yeah, let's see the last one. So this one, the color is really nice too. It's really nice. So I got some variation. So this one is long sleeve. You know, it does have that cool little opening for your thumb. So that's great for when you're lifting weights, you know. And this one does have a bit of a pattern on this side, kind of like a meshy material. I don't know what you call this. It's not like a mesh, but it does have that. It also has a part in the back that comes down. And this one's really nice. This one seems a bit more stretchy, so let's see what it's made out of. I can't find it in this. Okay. So yeah, so this one has 93% more nylon. Because like I said, it does feel a bit different from the purple one. And then 7% spandex. So this is really nice. The top, love it. And then the bottom is that similar material. The bottom though has like that shape, that, you know, kind of circular shape that kind of outlines your butt, which is really nice. That's what's trending right now. And the pants actually has the actual mesh, so like a see-through type thing at the legs. So it feels amazing. I am gonna try them on and show you guys how they look. So let's do that. Y'all, do you like my hair? I got it so pressed today. Y'all, this is the longest my hair has been in a minute, like by my bra strap. Like, my hair feels so great. I wonder how long this will last though, girl, because it's gonna get warm. But yeah, let me go try these on and get back to you. This one feels so good, y'all, like so good. My battery is about to die, so I'm trying to hurry up. But yeah, nice material. Alright, you guys, so we're at the end of the video. I hope you liked all the pieces. I will be linking everything in the description box, so if you're interested in purchasing it, I'll have that. Let's see. All of them were a size small, both the top and bottom for each set. And then yeah, overall I really like Shein. I like the workout clothes. You know, they're really comfy. The material isn't itchy or hard to like put on. They are tight fitting, but like the material is just so stretchy, but manages to like bounce back, that it just feels really good. So I would definitely try them out. Anyways, let me know if you like these try on haul videos. I do plan on doing a lot more, but they won't all be workout clothes. So, because I know everyone isn't interested in workout clothes. So yeah, I'm gonna do some more. Let me know what other stores I should try. I know there's a bunch of online boutiques that are trending now. So yeah, I know there's a lot of online stores that like people love. So let me know in the comments what you do, and I can try out their clothes as well. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Oh, and y'all, sorry for the quality. My camera died. I don't know why I thought I charged this camera, but yeah. So, sorry for the quality. Have a good one, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.